This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center for quick hotspot access. Open Settings if you prefer the full menu view. Tap Personal Hotspot to open hotspot controls and options. Turn on Allow others to join to enable Wi-Fi sharing and set a password. Tap Wi-Fi password and type a secure password with at least 8 characters. Use letters, numbers, and a symbol to improve security and avoid simple sequences. Keep this screen visible while connecting another device to confirm the network name. Join the iPhone network by selecting its name from the other device's Wi-Fi list. Enter the Wi-Fi password exactly as shown to establish a secure connection. For laptops or tablets, use a USB cable or Bluetooth pairing when Wi-Fi is slow or blocked. Open Bluetooth on both devices and confirm the pairing code when prompted. iPhone supports several simultaneous connections, but carrier limits may apply to speed. Monitor the blue status bar to verify active connections and data usage in real time. Change the Wi-Fi password in settings to protect the hotspot from unauthorized use. Use a unique password after sharing to prevent lingering access by unknown devices. Disable Allow others to join or turn off personal hotspot to conserve battery and cellular data when finished. Lower screen brightness and enable low power mode to extend hotspot runtime on long sessions. Check cellular data limits and carrier plan to avoid overage charges while tethering other devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.